Hello students, welcome to Composition 1, Face to Face. I wanted to go ahead and give a short preview of the course to let you know how to get to all of the things in the course. Of course, we will be meeting in class face to face, so you do not need to. I will help you navigate this when you come on Monday or Tuesday. I have two different courses. So, first thing you need to do is go to Start Here. This is where you will meet with me for individual conferences. This is a Zoom meeting room. You don't need that right now, but it will be helpful to know for the future. The agenda and syllabus is found right here. This is extremely important that you continually go back to, especially this tentative agenda. We will go over the syllabus a little bit in class, but mostly you need to know that this is basically going to give you an overview, the pace of the course. I have all of the assignments. It is tentative, so it could change, but I will not be adding any major assignments or any surprise quizzes, that type of deal. Okay. A lot of students have already emailed me, said, hey, when are assignments due? Okay, well, right here, this column is basically your discussion boards, and we'll go over how to do pack back. It won't even be live until tomorrow morning on August 15th, the first discussion. But the main discussion that you can go ahead and start if you want to is the introduction discussion board. That is due on Wednesday. Okay, it's imperative that you do turn this in on Wednesday by 11:59 p.m. Because on Thursday morning I have to say whether or not you've attended my class, and I cannot say, even if you were there on Monday and Wednesday or on Tuesday, I cannot mark you as attending my course until I have one assignment turned in. So this is that assignment, okay? But this gives you activities that we'll be doing during the week, and this right here is the activities that you will, this is the major assignments that are due at the end of each week, okay? And these will be due the Sunday by 11:59 p.m. of the week that it is following. So for instance, August 15th, our first day of class, or maybe you might be in the Tuesday, Thursday class, but this is the first week, starts on Monday, 8:15. It will be due Sunday, August 22nd, I believe, if my math's right. Good thing I'm not your math teacher, right? Anyway, so same thing, August 22nd, it'll be the 29th. Okay? All right, so let's go ahead and go over to back to the start here. Okay? This is right here, this document right here is going to give you an overview of the entire course with all the major outlines that you will need. Again, you do not have to understand what all of this is right now. This is basically a resource for you to continuously go back to. And especially if you're like, I don't know where that outline is, I don't know, blah, blah. You will find that I will have duplicate forms throughout the course because I just want to make sure that you guys can find things. Okay, this is the course introduction video, which this will be in this folder. Okay, assignments. This is where the majority of the course is held. Module 1, this is the first module. Okay, this is the overview of the module. Week 1, August 15th. This is the introduction discussion board that you have to do by Wednesday at 11:59 p.m. This is the article we'll be discussing in class, or this is the interview about the author and giving you more background information. We'll talk about this more in class. And then this will be a discussion we're doing in class. And then this is the link to the discussion board, which will be live on Monday morning at 1 a.m. each week. Okay? Just to give you a feel for where everything is. Okay, when you turn in assignments through Blackboard, you will find the links in each of the weeks. So for instance, module 1 is weeks 1 through 4. And so at the beginning of each week, you just go into each of those weeks. So, how I will go over this, of course, in class, but I just wanted to give you a heads up how to navigate into Blackboard. Okay? I look forward to meeting you in class this week with bright, smiley, shiny faces. Okay, bye.